Mike here again with another Mickey loot, my third. This is actually my August subscription box. I'm so happy to get this. Now, they're very delayed in coming out. They've had all sorts of problems with the pandemic and other things like their move and so many other things that have been delaying things. But we've finally got August, and I can't wait to open this one up. Now, if you've seen my previous videos, you'll see that what Mickey loot is and how it all works, so I won't go through all that again. And that should have opened. Oh, unless we open this side, that'll help. They really do ship them well. There's no way this was going to fall apart in transit. Not sure. Oh, okay. Where are you? This is the hard part, opening the thing up. Okay. There we go. There we go. This one's so small. I don't think I'm going to get a card in it. Oh, I do get a card in it. A little postcard. Once again, a Star Wars image on that one. If you can see that. So let's have a look at him. Have a look on the back. Lyra Esro from Star Wars. A little note there saying, Mike, enjoy your box from Mickey Loot. Okay, so that goes down there. Spoiler sheet. It's also there. So once again, packaged very nicely. You know, beautiful tissue paper, branding on the sticker. And little packages, all individually wrapped. So it looks like we've got 3 here. So open up the first one. If I'm not mistaken, it's going to be a pin. Oh, I love these. I think something to remember is that unlike other boxing services, Mickey Loot take into consideration your likes and your dislikes. Now, in my case, I know my likes are very strange. I like the Love Bug. I'm not sure there's terribly much merchandise out there for a film that was made in 1963. I like the Country Bear Jamboree, the attraction, and I like the Country Bear movie. Once again, not too many merchandise for that. So that could explain a lot of delay. So just keep that in mind, but what you get is something you'll like. And it's a pin showing you, because I haven't seen it yet. My turn. Oh, Mary Poppins. Oh, it's a beautiful Mary Poppins with the penguin next to her. Beautiful pin. And one thing I have learnt from watching all these cartoons over the years, if you reach just out of frame, you can always come back with whatever you need. In this case, it's my pin collection. So when I was in Disney World back in 2011, I decided to collect just the pins I really liked. And so I haven't got a huge collection, but the collection I've got is everything I love. So Mary Poppins is certainly going to be added to the list. I love this collection. And that's a beautiful pin. Oh, some Disneyland. Hang on, let's have another look at this. Oh, Disneyland Paris. It's a Paris pin. Ooh, nice. So park exclusive, I should imagine. Okay, so if Mary goes down there, now we've got another little box. Ooh, another little figurine. What's this? Star Wars Vinylmation. Okay. Disney 3-inch collectible figure. And do we open this mongrel up? Okay, it's sealed. They really don't want you to know what it is until you open it up, do they? So let's have a look. I'm going to put my knife. That's it. Out it comes. Okay, this is one of the Star Wars characters. I can't readily identify him. So look at the box. Alright, let's have a look. Oh, Poe. Poe Dameron. That's from the sequels. Not the sequels, the newer movies. I can't think of the top of my head what it was, but that's Poe, apparently. Okay, cool. A nice little Star Wars figure. And a soft packet. No idea what this is yet. Come on, out you go. Oh, socks. Mickey Sorcerer's Apprentice socks. Cool. Going to be very useful. I've got another pair of these, but I was planning on using them for the first time in a few weeks when I'm going to see our wonderful Melbourne Symphony Orchestra who will be playing live with the movie Fantasia. So if I wear them on that, that'll be a great occasion. So I'm so looking forward to that. Excellent. Excellent. So that's my August box, third box I've received in my subscriptions. I've still got a few outstanding. Once again, they're special order boxes, so they'll be $70 value as opposed to this subscription, which is a $40 value. So I'm looking forward to receiving them when they come in. Now let's have a look and see what we've got here. As I said, it's a $40 box. Let's see, Mickey Sorcerer's Apprentice socks, $14.99, and they're a park exclusive item. The Disney Star Wars Last Jedi Mystery Vinylmation, also $14.99, and that's a park exclusive item. And the Mary Poppins with Penguins trading pin, $13.99. So for a $40 box, I've got $43.97 worth of value, that's retail price, and free shipping. So very, very happy. Thank you, Mickey Loot. I love it. So hopefully I'll be receiving another box in the very near future. I'm told there's one that's in Australia and it's travelling around somewhere between Sydney and here in Melbourne. So hopefully there'll be another video up soon. Until then, bye.